Microsoft just dropped a brand new 28100 series to the latest Windows 11 26 H1 Insider Preview channel, build number 28120.2242. Old builds are moving around, Windows security settings are changing, and some users are finally getting some fixes for bugs that made their PC almost unusable. So what exactly is happening with Windows 11's new experimental build 28120.2242? I'll explain in this video. So hey everyone, and welcome back to Tech Sudama Lab. And today in this video, I'm gonna walk you through all the new features, new changes, and bug fixes to that build. So without getting further delayed, let's get started. If you love staying ahead of Windows 11 updates, hidden features, and everything happening inside Microsoft's ecosystem, make sure to subscribe and turn notifications on. Microsoft has officially split the testing branches for Windows 11 version 26 H1. Until the many testers were using builds from 28000 series. But Microsoft has now moved that older branch over to the beta channel and introduced entirely new 28100 series branch for user in the experimental channel. The latest release in this new branch is build number 28120.2242. So at first glance, it doesn't look like a massive update, but that's because this build is designed to lay the groundwork for the future development. Think of it as Microsoft is recognizing for the construction side, but for building something bigger. One of the most important additions is a new user-facing administrator protection toggle. Previously, security feature was mostly controlled through IT administrator or organizational policies. Now, regular insider users can enable or disable it themselves. To find it, just go to Settings, then just head over to Privacy and Security, and then go to Windows Security, and then click on Account Protection. And here you go. Just scroll and here you will find Administrator Protection. Just select Administrator Protection Settings, and here is the toggle. Keep in mind, if you switch it on or off, you will need to restart your computer for the change to take effect. For users who care over system security, this gives more direct control over how elevated privileges are managed. As always, Windows enthusiasts have been digging through the build files, and they've already noticed subtle modernization quietly being tested. Microsoft appears to be experimenting with a new version of Run Dialog box. Some testers have also spotted modern down-style loading animations replacing the old legacy spinner during the login and shutdown. These aren't headline features, but they show Microsoft's continued effort to refresh part of Windows that haven't changed much in years. It's the small detail that slowly makes the operating system feel more modern. Now let's talk about the fixes, because this may matter more than the new features. Microsoft addressed a major audio issues from the previous Insider flight that caused some users to lose sounds completely after updating. If you were affected by that problem, this build should finally resolve it. Settings reliability has also been improved. There was an annoying bug causing frequent crashes when users opened the installed app inside Settings app. That's been fixed as well. And perhaps that's the biggest improvement. Microsoft says they've addressed widespread freezing issues. Some systems will randomly lock up while using Windows Search, working in the notepad, or simply multitasking. Those stability problems should now be significantly reduced. For insider users testing these builds daily, that's very welcome news. If all this build number sounds confusing, here is the simple version. Experimental channel users running the new Windows 11 26 H1 branch can now move back further between experimental and beta through an in-place upgrade option. Just select and toggle there, just like this. That means you don't have to wipe out a PC or perform a clean installation just to switch branches. It's much flexible testing experience. However, there is one important detail. Windows 11 version 26 H1 is aimed at specialized hardware platforms, including future silicon and next generation ARM architecture. Because it runs on a different Windows core, it isn't expected to allow normal upgrade path to Windows 11 version 26 H2 or later this year. So this branch is less about mainstream users and more about preparing Windows for what's coming next. So while Windows 11 26 H1 build number 28120.2242 may not introduce flashy features, it represents something much bigger behind the scene. New testing structure, improved stability, better security control, and early signs of Microsoft's next phase of Windows development. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the future of Windows 11? Or are insider builds becoming too complicated? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, subscribe to Tech Sudama Lab, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.